Most people get this wrong when choosing a digital wallet in Indonesia. They pick the most popular app, not the one that actually saves them money every single day. And that mistake quietly costs them fees, missed rewards, and worse exchange rates, without them even noticing. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best digital wallet is not always the one with the most users. It is the one that matches how you spend, whether that is transport, food delivery, online shopping, or even international payments. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Indonesia for 2026. You will understand exactly what each one is best for, how to avoid hidden fees, and how people are earning rewards and cashback just by switching their payment habits. And stay with me, because in a minute, I will show you a simple strategy that lets you combine two wallets to maximize cashback on almost every purchase. Let's start immediately. Indonesia has one of the fastest growing digital payment systems in the world. From Jakarta to Bali, most people now pay using QR codes instead of cash. Even street vendors use digital wallets. But here's the problem. Not all wallets are equal. Some are amazing for transport, some for shopping, and some quietly charge fees you do not notice until the end of the month. So let's break down the best options one by one. First, GoPay. GoPay is one of the most widely used wallets in Indonesia, mainly because it is built into the Gojek ecosystem. If you are using ride-hailing, food delivery, or even paying utility bills, GoPay makes everything seamless. For example, imagine Alex living in Jakarta. He uses Gojek daily for food delivery and rides. With GoPay, he earns cashback on promotions, and often gets discounted delivery fees. The biggest advantage is integration. Everything is in one app. But here's the catch. Outside the Gojek ecosystem, GoPay is not always the highest cashback option. That means you might be leaving money on the table for shopping or offline payments. Now let's move to OVO. OVO is extremely popular for retail shopping and partnerships with big brands like Grab and various malls across Indonesia. OVO often gives loyalty points that can be converted into discounts. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many users do not realize OVO points can expire. So if you are not actively using them, you lose value without even noticing. For example, Jake in Surabaya uses OVO for Grab rides and supermarket payments. He earns points every week. But because he never checks his balance, he occasionally loses expired rewards. This is a common mistake. Next is Dana. Dana is one of the most flexible wallets in Indonesia. It is widely accepted for online shopping, bill payments, and peer-to-peer transfers. The interface is simple, and it is often used for e-commerce transactions. But here's the problem. Dana sometimes has different merchant fees depending on the transaction type. That means small hidden costs can appear if you are not careful. Now here's what makes Dana powerful. It frequently offers zero-fee transfers between banks and wallets. So if you are someone who moves money often, this is a strong option. Let's move to Linkagha. Linkagha is backed by several major state-owned companies in Indonesia, which makes it strong for official payments. Think electricity bills, government services, and toll payments. For example, John in Bandung uses Linkagha to pay for toll roads and parking. It saves him time and avoids cash handling completely. But here's the limitation. Linkagha is not as strong for cashback or lifestyle rewards compared to GoPay or OVO. So it is more functional than promotional. Now let's talk about Shopee Pay. Shopee is built for one thing, and that is online shopping on Shopee. If you are a frequent online shopper, this wallet can save you a lot of money. Shopee Pay often gives aggressive discounts, cashback days, and flash promotions. But here's the catch. Those benefits are heavily tied to Shopee usage only. So if you are not shopping regularly on Shopee, you are not unlocking its full value. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users combine Shopee with another wallet like Dana or GoPay for everyday use, and only switch to Shopee during big sale events. Next is AstraPay. AstraPay is less known globally but very useful in Indonesia, especially for automotive payments. If you are paying for fuel, tolls, or vehicle-related services, AstraPay can give you targeted rewards. For example, Alex, who owns a car in Jakarta, uses Astropay to pay for fuel at partner stations. Over time, he gets small discounts that add up significantly. But here's the limitation. It is niche. If you do not own a vehicle, you might not use it often. Now let's talk about Isaku. Isaku is connected to Indomaret, one of the largest convenience store chains in Indonesia. This makes it extremely useful for daily small purchases like snacks, drinks, and bill payments. Now here's the interesting part. Isaku often runs in-store promotions that are not available in other wallets. That means you can get instant discounts just by paying at the cashier with the app. But here's the downside. Outside Indomaret stores, its acceptance is limited. Next is Sakuku by BCA. Sakuku is a simple digital wallet from one of Indonesia's biggest banks. It is designed for easy transfers and personal payments. If you already bank with BCA, Sakuku becomes very convenient. Transfers are fast, and integration is smooth. But here's the problem. Compared to competitors, Sakuku does not offer as many cashback campaigns. It is more about convenience than rewards. Now let's move to Blue by BCA Digital. Blue is a newer digital banking app that combines wallet features with full banking services. It is popular among younger users who want everything in one place. For example, Jake uses Blue to separate his spending money from savings. He sets automatic budgeting and tracks expenses in real time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Blue allows multiple pockets inside one account, which helps with budgeting better than traditional wallets. But it still depends on merchant adoption, so it is not always accepted everywhere. Next is Genius. Genius by BTPN is one of the most advanced digital banking wallets in Indonesia. It is known for savings features, foreign currency support, and budgeting tools. If you are someone who travels or earns in multiple currencies, Genius becomes extremely useful. But here's the catch. It can feel slightly complex for beginners because it offers so many features. Finally, we have Flip. Flip is slightly different because it focuses on transfers between banks with zero or low fees. It is not a traditional wallet for spending, but it saves a lot of money on transfers. For example, John sends money between different banks every month. Instead of paying fees, he uses Flip and saves those small charges consistently. Now here's the simple strategy I promised earlier. The smartest users in Indonesia do not rely on just one wallet. They combine 2 or 3 depending on usage. For example, they use GoPay for daily transport, ShopPay for shopping deals, and Dana for transfers. This way, they always maximize cashback and minimize fees. But here's the key mistake to avoid. Do not spread yourself too thin. If you use too many wallets, you lose track of rewards and balances. Stick to a core set of 2 or 3 apps based on your lifestyle. To summarize everything, GoPay is best for daily transport and food delivery. OVO is strong for retail rewards. Dana is flexible for payments and transfers. Lingkaha is great for official services. ShopeePay is best for shopping deals. AstroPay is perfect for vehicle expenses. Isaku works well for convenience store purchases. Sakuku and Blue are strong banking hybrids. Genius is ideal for advanced users. And Flip saves you money on transfers. If you understand how to combine them properly, you will save money every month without changing your lifestyle at all. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, drop a comment with which wallet you are currently using, and subscribe for more simple finance guides that actually help you save money in real life.